Alright, so there's no videos on YouTube of putting in my particular Aux Beam 9007 LED headlights and a Saturn Ion. Most of the time, these things here, mine, they broke. Talked to someone on Instagram, theirs broke. Because you're not doing it right. I don't know if you're supposed to take this off or not, but that's what we did to get it on. It worked fine. So pass the camera off. These are already removed from the headlight. Take it out. I already got them in. They're not in there right. Unclip the connector from the bulb, and then the turn signal. And the red tag you gotta take out. And there's the aux beam. So this one here isn't as busted as the other ones, but on there you've got a, I don't know if you can see it too well, a Phillips head screw. This piece here comes off. I broke all of mine, so I'm just gonna take the Phillips head screw out. You do this at your own risk. Just gonna say that now. And you had anybody pissed off at me because you did what I did, or we did, and get you an aux beam have a fit. That was loose. Damn, there's no seal. That's not good. So anyway, there's the other ones had a seal on those. So we're gonna put the new one on like that. Take and slide this back over. You gotta find that screw hole, which it is right, where was it? Right there. Take and put your Phillips head screw back in. It was like really, really loose. There's no seal. It'll be kind of tight going back in. Make sure you don't drop your screws because they are itty bitty. I'm about to drop mine. Struggle with it for a minute because you don't have it sealed, so it ain't tight. Smarty Britches behind the camera figured it out. Taking a screw that back in tight. Don't cross thread it. Alright, so it's back in. That's like it's supposed to be. Clips aren't broken. Get your headlight. You gotta line up the bulb. There's two notches right there, one there. Take the side that doesn't have the single notch on it, slide it in like that. It'll fall into place. May take a little bit to get it in, but once it's in, you rotate the ring. It's locked in place, not going anywhere. I haven't seen any videos on YouTube installing aux beams on a Ion or Cobalt either. So that's what we're doing. Hopefully somebody can use this. Just take and put it back in. If you are watching this video, hopefully you already know how to take the headlight apart. Installation is the opposite of removal. Put the pins back in. Headlight's back installed. And then there we go. These were, I think, $31.99 on Amazon at the Amazon aux beam store. And or you can go to Amazon, auxbeam.com and get them. Got them in both cars. Just wish I'd have bought them a long time ago rather than the Sylvanias I had, because they were $100 and weren't worth anything. Nice bright white light. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.